Hello, hello, hello. It's Grandma Boom with Superkid Power. Being here with all you super kids because you have the power inside you. And you know what? We can have power with our laundry, the clothes that we wear. I bet you're wondering how. I will show you. Well, Twinkle said something I didn't quite hear. I have something I can show them that I already wore, okay? Yeah, she thinks I should show you an example of what I'm talking about. Good idea, Twinkle, of course. I wouldn't expect anything less with you. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. This is something that I wore yesterday. So here's how the laundry works. I look at it, I smell it, and then I drop it where it goes. If it smells bad and it looks bad, it has spots on it, and it smells like, ooh, it's dirty. It needs to be going in the washing machine. Then I just drop it in the laundry. But if I look at it and I smell it, doesn't smell bad, doesn't look bad, no spots on it, then I put it back in the drawer or in the closet. And here's how we remember that. Look, smell, drop. Look, smell, drop. Look, smell, drop. Look, smell, drop. Look, smell, drop in the washing machine or the laundry or back in the drawer or the closet. Do it with me 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Look, smell, drop. Look, smell, drop. And you can be more responsible, and then you can do the responsibility boogie. Do it after me. Boogie, boogie, boogie. You do it. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. You do it. Boogie, boogie, boogie. 1, 2, 3. You do it. 1, 2, 3. Responsibility. You do it. Responsibility. Boogie, boogie, boogie. You do it. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. You do it. Boogie, boogie, boogie. I think I can. I think I can. You do it. I think I can. I think I can. Have responsibility. Yeah. Responsibility. Yeah. You did a good job. I'm glad you're learning all these fun things. I'm going to leave you with a wish. I wish for you to feel like a super kid with your power every time you look, smell, and drop your laundry where it's supposed to go. If it's dirty, in the laundry or washing machine, or if it's not dirty, no spots, doesn't smell, looks fine, put it back in the drawer or the closet. I love being with you. Grandma Boom with Superkid Power.